In this video, we are going to talk about solar system, how it was found, the planets and 9 planets, and some discoveries of the solar system. The solar system is one of the billions of star systems of the Milky Way galaxy, which include 8 planets and a huge collection of comets and asteroids. The order of placement of planets in the system from the nearest mass of the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and possibly the 9th planet. According to scientists, the edge of the solar system is approximately 15 billion kilometers away from the Sun. Stay with me until the end of this video, and if you are interested in the wonders and knowledge of the world, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell. What is the solar system? The solar system is a collection of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and gas and dust that revolve around the Sun star. This system consists of rocky planets including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, gas giants including Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants including Uranus and Neptune. Between Mars and Jupiter, there is a set of asteroids known as the asteroid belt, and on the other side of Neptune, a set of small icy bodies known as the Kuiper belt revolve around the Sun. Objects such as the dwarf planet Pluto are also considered part of the Kuiper belt. The origin of the solar system. About 4 billion years ago, a dark cloud of gas and dust underwent a gravitational collapse. This cloud compressed and turned into a rotating disk known as a solar nebula. The heat and pressure were eventually so great that the hydrogen atoms fused together to form helium. Nuclear interaction released large amounts of energy, and the Sun was formed. The Sun collected approximately 99% of the material in the solar nebula, and the rest of the material formed similar clumps inside a rotating disk. Some of these materials reached enough mass and gravity to form globular masses or planets, dwarf planets, and moons. The remaining fragments formed meteorites, comets, and other moons that make up the solar system. According to scientists, the solar system was created during the explosion of a nearby star or a supernova process. According to this theory, the explosion caused shock waves to be sent into space, and these waves compressed the solar nebula and finally led to its collapse. The supernova likely drove material into the nebula. Size and distance in the solar system. The solar system is so big that it is almost impossible to imagine its size using units like kilometers. The distance from the Earth to the Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers. But the distance from the Sun to the farthest planet in the solar system, Neptune, is 405 billion kilometers. Now compare this distance with the average distance that a healthy person can walk non-stop in one day, 32 kilometers, or the distance to the International Space Station, 400 kilometers. What is a planet? But before introducing the planets of the solar system, it is necessary to get acquainted with the definition of a planet. According to the standard definition, a planet is a mass of a sufficient size revolve around the Sun and itself, but it is not big enough to undergo nuclear fusion like a star. It has also cleared its vicinity of a large number of other objects. The planets Jupiter and Saturn are called gas giants, while Uranus and Neptune, the 2 outermost walls of the solar system, are classified as ice giants, because they are composed of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, such as oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur, and have a thick mantle. They have methane, ammonia, and frozen water. The planets of the solar system. The 4 inner planets of the solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are classified as terrestrial planets or rocky worlds due to their rocky surface. The 4 outer worlds of the solar system, namely Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are called Jupiter-like planets due to their large size than the rocky planets. Most of these planets are made up of gases such as hydrogen and helium, although some planetologists believe that some of these planets have solid cores. In 2016, researchers raised the possibility of the 9th planet. This object, also known as a planet X, has an estimated mass of 10 times that of Earth and orbits the star of our system as a distance between 300 and 1000 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. If you are interested in the wonders and knowledge of the world, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell.